Devices for Dignity listens to problems being faced by patients, clinicians and even industry. People come to us with areas of unmet need. We analyse that need and really validate that this is a problem worth solving by asking a large number of experts in the area, both clinicians and patients. Once we agree that this is a problem indeed worth solving, then we'll look to work with engineers and designers to solve that problem. A hackathon is a great forum to tackle some of these healthcare design problems. It allows us to look at it not just from a medical point of view, it allows us to think about what does the patient really want, what do they want to do with the rest of their lives, their independence, their dignity. It's all very important and wrapped up in this single piece of technology. So a hackathon brings in different ideas, different points of view and delivers a holistic device design that really cares about a patient's dignity.
I'm the moving and handling lead at Sheffield Teaching Hospitals, which covers acute and community-based patients. Part of my role involves training staff in safe movement and handling techniques. It's really important that we get this right for the patients to make sure that they don't sustain injury when we are handling them. It's also important that we make sure that we get this right for the staff too, so that they don't sustain injury when they're at work. Within the organisation, we use a range of different types of mechanical hoists to move and transfer patients between different surfaces. From the staff's point of view, they often find it quite difficult due to the range of different equipment, and there's certainly a lack of standardisation between the companies that provide different equipment in terms of colour, sizing, that type of thing. So they have issues sometimes in terms of maintaining their competence at using the equipment and being able to portray a confident professional image to the patients when they're using that equipment.
I think hoists are an essential piece of equipment. They do help disabled people to get in and out of bed, in and out their wheelchairs, and they do protect carers from lifting. However, I personally have only been hoisted twice. I found it to be quite undignified. Felt vulnerable. I didn't like the feeling at all. I think a lot could be done to improve the design of this equipment.
We started off this morning with a briefing session telling us about the problems that we had to overcome for the day with the existing hoist. So we had a quick brainstorming session where we found out all the problems that did exist from the clinicians and from the patients, how they perceived that there were inbuilt problems, and then we made a list of all these issues and finally came up with what we think is probably a very good solution to a lot of problems.
The event today has been a fantastic opportunity to get together with other professionals from different backgrounds, different skills, different knowledge, start together, working collaboratively, thinking outside the box and addressing some of the issues that have been highlighted by patients and staff alike.
I think the event's been a great success today. Actually, as a user of this equipment, to sit down with those people who can design and make a difference and add my comments and my input into the next generation design, it's been fantastic.